Welcome to Whiskey House of Kentucky. My name is Ryan Poe. I'm the distillery senior manager. I'd like to tell you a little bit about this place and what we do that makes us special. The distillery was founded in the last couple of years by John Hargrove and David Mandel. They have extensive experience in the industry, both working with customers and running large-scale operations. This is a culmination of the dream that they've had to provide the most customizable, flexible contract distillation to an exclusive set of partners in the industry. We started operations in July of 2024, and since then have amassed a portfolio of 36 customers, multiple mash bills, multiple recipes, and over 100,000 barrels produced so far. During that time, we've held to our mission, vision, values, emphasizing integrity, communication, partner focus, and innovation to guide our operations day to day. That's been a great partnership with Gusmer. As we work through this together, they supply us with supplies and equipment in our lab, and also enzymes that we use in our production process. They've been an incredible partner, and we've really been happy working with them. One of the things that makes us special is our ability to have a full suite of capability for production here. We can match existing mash bills for partners who want a consistent flavor profile with their existing products, or we're able to do completely customized mash bills, sourcing from the highest quality grains, completely customizing mashing protocols and fermentation, and then also distillation to meet their exacting needs. The team here at Whiskey House has an incredible amount of experience, everywhere from the executive leadership to our compliance, to our administrative team, to all the operations staff from the distillery, warehousing, food safety, quality assurance, and everybody that works here day to day. On the distillery side, we have operators with experience from 10 different distilleries in the area. We're able to bring that experience together, consolidate it here, learn from each other, establish best practices, and then make this facility the most modern, flexible, and customer service oriented that we can. That really serves the purpose of providing the best customer experience we can for our customers, from the innovation and the technology that we have in place to the flexibility and extreme amount of detail we can go into in their production process. We're happy to have our customers on site, work with them, develop their recipes and their product with them, or they can trust us to be the experts and do the production while they just know that we're giving them the best quality product that we can day in and day out. Our focus here is really on providing the best bourbon, the best whiskeys that we're able to create. That starts with the grain selection, follows through to all the automation and the controls that we have in place. Through the mashing process, we have extreme amount of control. We're very selective about the ingredients we use and the partners we work with there, which is why we trust Gusmer as a vendor for our enzymes. We're able to follow that through into fermentation, have a very extreme amount of control in fermentation as well to make sure that we're hitting quality targets every step of the way. We test every fermenter from start to finish every 24 hours using the beer lab that Gusmer supplies us in our main analytical lab, which gives us a great amount of detail and data that helps guide our operations day to day. From there, distillation is really focused on providing a very clean, flavorful, and defect-free distillate, which then goes into barrel and as it ages out, provides our customers with an incredible whiskey and something we're very happy to see come out of barrels in a few years and go into bottle. As we continue to grow and develop, we will double the size of our operations here, going from 120,000 barrels a year to 240,000 barrels a year. What makes it special is we're able to do that with a very minimal increase in headcount. We operate so efficiently that on the distillery production side, we don't add any headcount as we double our production. That's really a testament to how this building is laid out, how the process is designed, and then the efficiencies and the automations that are already in place from the ground up. That really allows us to make that step and remain as efficient as possible. That's especially important when we start to look at international markets. They like to see a lot of the innovation, the efficiencies, the responsible use of natural resources, some of the green initiatives is very important, not only here domestically, but also internationally. So that allows us to be very competitive in those spaces and allows us to put our customers' minds at ease that we are at the forefront of distillation technology here in the US and in international markets. One of the things that makes us special in the distillation market is we're going to achieve 7 certifications, from ISO certifications, food safety certifications, and a host of other certifications that will really put us at the forefront of everything that's happening in this space. Our goal is to drive this industry forward, to take us that next step toward advanced food manufacturing, while also acknowledging the history that this industry has. We were very respectful of that. We're very grateful for that heritage and that history, but we want to make that next step. We want to take this industry forward and provide that same experience to our customers. We provide them with a tremendous amount of data through our production process that they have access to. That guides our customers and our partners with their brand storytelling. It helps make a much more deep and rich story as they present to their customers out in market. We want to be here to help them with that, to supplement that, and to provide them the resources that they need. So here at Whiskey House, we work very closely with our customers from the initial contact from our sales team to the entire process going forward from there. We have a very detailed, very in-depth pre-production process that we go through with them. We have multiple meetings to establish their exact standards, their exact products that they want to create with us. We walk through everything from grain selection, mash bill, enzyme selection, the yeast selection, and what the impact on flavor all of those inputs have. We move forward to the cooking protocol, temperatures, durations, all the things that they want to make sure that we can hit exactly the product that they're looking for. From there, they're allowed to select all the specifications on the barrels that they want, from a very basic off-the-shelf barrel to a highly customized, very special barrel that will really impart some additional flavor characteristics that they won't get anywhere else. That's a part of what we do with every customer here. Everybody gets the same treatment, and everybody has the opportunity to customize their product as much as they want. And we're here and we're excited to do that with them. That's what makes working at Whiskey House so unique, is we get to do that with our partners. We don't dictate to them what we're going to do. We're able to work hand in hand with them. We're able to innovate, develop, and experiment with them if they want to. And that's what really is exciting for all of us as we come into work every day. In the future, as barrels start to roll out of our rick house in a couple years' time, we will have a fully technologically advanced bottling facility available for our customers, and we will only bottle for customers who produce with us. We're not going to bottle for outside customers who bring their barrels in. We'll work exclusively with our customers that we've developed that relationship with, and we will prioritize their production and not have any competing interests. Additionally, we do not have any of our own brands. We only produce for our customers, so there will never be a conflict of interest when it comes to whose production takes priority, whose barrels get a priority location in the rick house, or anything like that. We are laser focused on providing the best customer experience that we can for the people that we choose to work with, and we're very excited to work with them day in and day out.
For more information, go to gusmerenterprises.com. Click on Contact Your Rep on the top menu and then choose your state. The technical sales representative in your region will then be selected. Gusmer Enterprises, service with knowledge since 1924.